You've heard of E equals mc². You've probably seen it 1,000 times. But do you actually know what it is? Like, really know? Most people don't. They know it's Einstein. They know it's famous. They know it's supposed to be important. But when you ask them to explain it, they freeze. Today we're going to fix that. In 1905, a 26-year-old patent clerk wrote an equation that changed everything we thought we knew about reality. 5 symbols, E equals mc². You've seen it on t-shirts, coffee mugs, tattoos, but almost nobody can actually tell you what it means. Today we're going to fix that in plain English. No physics degree required. Let's start with what the letters actually stand for. E is energy. M is mass, which for now just means stuff, physical matter, the amount of thing something is made of. And C is the speed of light, which is approximately 186,000 miles per second. Now here's where it gets interesting. C² means you take that number, 186,000, and multiply it by itself. That gives you a number so astronomically large, it's almost impossible to picture. Roughly 34 billion miles per second, squared. So what is Einstein actually saying? He's saying that energy and mass are the same thing, not similar, not related, the same thing, just in different forms. Mass is basically frozen energy, and energy is mass that's been set free. Think of it like water and ice, same stuff, different state. Now here's the part that makes your brain hurt. In the best way, that c² number, that enormous multiplier, tells you the conversion rate. And the conversion rate is insane. A tiny, almost invisible amount of mass contains a mind-bending amount of energy locked inside it. 1 paperclip. If you could convert the entire mass of 1 paperclip completely into pure energy, it would release roughly the same energy as the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. 1 paperclip. So why don't paperclips explode? Because converting mass into energy is extraordinarily difficult. The atoms in that paperclip are locked together in a structure that is incredibly stable. Nature doesn't give up that energy easily. To release it, you have to split atoms, nuclear fission, or fuse them together, nuclear fusion. Both require extreme conditions that don't just happen in your desk drawer, but when it does happen, even partially, the results are staggering. The sun converts 4 million tons of mass into energy every single second. That's what sunlight is. That's what warmth is. 4 million tons of matter, gone, turned into the light hitting your face right now. Nuclear power plants do a version of the same thing, splitting uranium atoms, releasing a fraction of their mass as heat, turning turbines, powering cities. And this equation also changed something even deeper than energy. It shattered the idea that mass and energy were separate things. Before Einstein, physicists thought, mass is mass, energy is energy, they're different. Einstein said, no, they're 2 sides of the same coin. And if that's true, it means the entire physical universe, every star, every planet, every atom in your body, is just energy in a very patient, very stable form. You are not a thing that has energy. You are energy, temporarily arranged into a shape that thinks and breathes and watches YouTube videos. 5 symbols, a 26-year-old working a desk job, and a single idea that cracked open the universe. E equals mc². Now you actually know what it means. If you made it this far, you probably enjoyed it. Like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment. What do you want to go inside next?